Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Ross, just checking today, guys. I bought a few items. I'll show you guys later, but I bought these. I see these little containers right here. It's an 8-piece holiday cookie cutter set inside, and it says gnome for the holidays. It has a little gnome on the top. These are going for $5.99. Here's one with the Christmas trees. Let's see, this one has like so many on the inside for $5.99. I like the colors of those. Look at this one right here. Different ones. They have the little nutcracker one right here. Set of 8 cookie cutters. $4.99. They also have this one right here. And on the inside, it has, you know, different ones. $4.99 for this one as well. I like these little soup mugs right here. Your love touches so many lives. $3.99 for those. And look at these nice cake pans right here. These are really pretty. Here's a red truck right here. Here is a, I'm not sure, I think these are like cake, little small mini cake pans right here. You get a set of 4. These are $9.99. They have some coasters right here with the monogram coasters with the little Santa hat on the top, C and S. Ceramic coasters for $4.99. Some spoon rests right here. I see Santa, the snowman, and these are going for $3.99. Here's a set of 4 coasters right here that says Joy. And down at the bottom, they have a lot of little sleighs here. Decors at the bottom right here. All right, so on this end cap right here, they have a lot of the mini mints. You get 2 of these. Look at the little avocado with the Christmas hat on. He's drinking hot chocolate. Those are really cute. $3.99 for those. 2-pack of oven-sized mini mints with mini. They have the Nightmare Before Christmas ones. You get 2 of these. There's Mickey. And they have a lot of kitchen towels, a set of 2. Really pretty. Let's see how much these are right here. $5.99. So they have a lot of like cute sets here. Here's the Peanut Gang, the Gnomes, some silicone oven mitts right here with Mickey. And they have a lot of like placemats down here, drying dish mats. These are $3.99. They have different ones. All right, so some more oven mitts over here. They have these ones right here, heat resistant. You get a set of 2 for $6.99. Different ones and different colors. This one is really cute right here. You get a set of 2. It says Joy. Let's see, the price is $4.99. They have a lot of rugs here. You get a 3-piece holiday accent rug set for $13.99. It has the gingerbread houses. Let's see, they have a lot of nice ones here. These are also table runners as well, but I did come across this little holiday 3-piece set right here. All right, so a lot of little decor bowls they have right here. This one is really pretty for $12.99. They have this right here, very pretty. A lot of nice little decorative pieces for the holidays, guys. $6.99 for that. And this one right here is going for $5.99. They have these gold vases right here. And they have these ones down here. These are really cute. Let's see, $5.99 for those. This one right here. Merry Christmas. Really cute. And I think I see one more. This one right here. And this one right here says Warm Wishes. Really cute. These are really cute for $5.99. Let's see if there's any more that I missed. No, those are the only ones that I see. All right, so also they have a lot of throws here. A lot of nice Christmas throws. Look at this one right here. This one is $12.99. This pretty shaggy one right here. They have this one right here with the different little drinks, cappuccinos, different ones. Here's one that says Peppermint Place for $9.99 in black and white. This is a reversible one right here, a Sherpa. Let's see the price. $12.99. This pretty one right here, and this one. And I'm gonna make my way around here and let you guys see these little baskets right here. This one says Merry and Bright, $6.99. I think they it's like 3 on the inside, but they're different prices, $7.99. They have these ones right here. These are $5.99. And how cute are these right here? So you get well, actually, let's see. These are all $11.99. So you get different ones. Put this up here. This one right here that says Fa La 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 La. This one is $5.99. So that one is not bad. And then there's a red one on the inside that says that's $5.99 as well. Dear Santa, $11.99. Here's one right here, which is really pretty. $5.99. Faith, Hope, Peace. And they have some bigger ones down here at the bottom. Really nice. Great for like blankets, dog toys, anything you want to put in those, they have those. A lot of cute pillows for Christmas, guys. They have Happy Holidays. This one right here is really pretty. That one right there is $14.99. They have this 2-pack right here. Decorative pillows, $17.99 in red. Here's one with Santa. Let's go down on just a little bit. They have this pillow right here with the gnomes. $29.99 for that one. Here's one that says Noel right here. Here's one down here on the bottom with the Christmas trees. It's going for $10.99. And then they have some ones down here that says Merry Christmas. They have some really nice pillows for Christmas. This one says Noel. Here's one with the snowman. Oops. Let me pick these up. The one that says Noel, these are going for $17.99. And they have a lot of pillows down there. Nice decorative pillows down there as well. All right, guys, look how cute this lantern is right here. Let me step back just a little bit. I love this lantern right here. It's an LED candle on the inside, $16.99 for that. They have some hand soap right here, winter pine. Let's see, here's another one right here. Sugar cookie hand soap. The price, I'm not sure the price. I'm pretty sure it's the same as the winter pine for $3.99. Here is a countdown calendar right here. And it has a little magnet on the side, countdown to Christmas calendar. Have that one. They still have a few items, the Hanukkah items in here. This is a 6-pack of placemats right here. Have that one. Here is a $3.10 gift card set right here. Winter Wonders, $2.99. Some of these decors right here towards the night before Christmas, $9.99. We have this decor right here. This is $34.99, and it has the glass LED with the candle holders here. There's those. What is this? A Lennox frame, photo frame right here. I don't see a price on that. Holiday photo ornament. Merry First Christmas, $4.99. All right, on this table right here, they have a lot of famous LED candle sets right here. The snowman, set of 3. They have the angels for $12.99. The wood angels right here, $14. They have these galvanized boxes right here, $5.99. The smaller one, the medium size is $8.99, and the larger one is $12.99. Here is a gift card holder set right here. These are going for $3.99. $9.99 for this one. $12.99.
The fitting room will be closed for 30 minutes.
All right, guys, so look at these little AirPods right here. They have the Christmas tree, the snowman. Those are really cute, and these are going for $4.99. They have Santa right here. He is playing his violin or his, not sure what that is, $17.99. They have this sleigh right here, $24.99. Here is a little LED. I think it lights up. Yes, it lights up. It's $14.99. That's really pretty. This is so cute right here. They have Merry Christmas's sleigh. They have some of the bigger gnomes right here. This guy right here, he's going for $16, if you can see him. They have the Christmas tree right here, $30. And here's another one of those gnomes. So this is what they look like. This little snowman family right here, $40 for that. This little decorative piece right here, $10.99, and they have these decors right here, $14.99, and these garland pieces right here, $12.99. All right, so on this table right here, they have a lot of ornaments that looks like this right here. These are going for $2.99. They come in different colors. That's a real pretty turquoise one right there, gold, this purplish blue one right here. And they have a lot of these little wood ornaments right here, the reindeers. These are $4.99. The bells. Here's some bells with the white. Here's some of the deers with the white. I showed you the red ones there. Let's see. A set of 4 ornaments. Here's some of the snowflakes, the more ornaments, but it's a snowflake. Angels. Here's a star. And guys, look at this book right here. It has bees on it. Right up my alley. Let's see what the cost of it is. $5.99 for that. Let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. So I think it's just a book with paper. Oh, it's a file folder. But it has bees on the front. All right, not related to Christmas, but I just had to let you guys see that. So they have this plate and, well, actually it's a little plate and a milk jug for Santa. Let's see, I don't see a price. Oh, I don't see a price on those guys. Here's another ornament right here. Here's one as well. This is a heart-shaped one. And over here they have a lot of garland, bows, things of that nature, if you can see those. Let's see. I showed you these before. Here is a LED tree topper right here. Those are really pretty. It says, "Try me." That's what it looks like. Here is some garlands right here. Santa. They have the penguins. Those are the white Santas right here. And these are the brown Santas. And here are some snowmen right here as well. All right, so look at this little cute mailbox right here for $40. They have these signs right here, "We Believe" and "Happy Holidays." They have this beautiful wreath right here, $21.99. Here is a sign right here you can put your pictures on. "Merry Christmas, Peace on Earth." Here's another little sign right here, "Welcome to the North Pole," $19.99. Some little pretty bowls right here with Santa on the front. And here's 2 with the gnomes. Very cute. That's what that picture looks like up there. They have some disposable little cups right here. You get a set of 16 hot cup lids and sleeves. Have those. Here are some treat 10 sets right here, and it has the gnomes on the front. You get 24 of these for $4.99. This is what they look like. There's a lot of stuff in here, guys, but it's kind of like bunched up, and I don't want to move anything because I don't want to break anything. These little cute pillows up here. the camper, Holy Night, the gnome. And of course they have a lot of placemats here, doormats, accent rugs. More tree skirts, different ones. As you can see, table runners. But yeah, guys, I'm going to get out of here because I'm up here at the line. I think the store is going to close for 30 minutes. They said over the intercom. But thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have some really nice mugs in here as well. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching.